As shown on the box, so could just be an idea of the impact between all the food. You know what I said? I was saying that they eat along with her and the baby, so the impact of the drugs on me, particularly yesterday. Just to me, I thought about the baby was causing these effects. You know, this is the case now. Now it's just, okay, the problem has to be dealt with, we can deal with it. And that's the sheer impact of the drugs on me, particularly the one they did yesterday. And given that this was a sudden increase, that wasn't really warranted, but like, there's not really anything that they're trying to stop in front of them. Nothing that they have anything wrong, they're right to do that. I'm just saying that if it's anything like this, something that you find 100% of the game. It needs to be some type of individual based on that. Again, I explained the individual so that. Partial diarrhea. I don't want to mention this in this subject list too serious. So literally, I should say that yesterday the new part of the baby both across mutual freak out. Today we just handling the problems. Particularly here, back there in Nelson's place, I also have to keep myself together, except when we were about to leave, because then they changed the drugs to the happy drugs. Just so I would stay there long again. It happened as everything is extremely official. Again, the guy has experienced a bunch of those things from my life, both now with that time and before, and I think that's what I today. But just saying, nothing bad to the argument here now. Oh boy, she could be actually shitting. That would be so good. Baby, yeah, poo. That's my. No, baby, you're gonna lay down. It's okay, babe. Just poo. I pick up whatever you do. Just poo. Go ahead. Boy, you do so good. She poo already. She already peed. Look up. Okay, no, she just wants to lay down inside. Look at that. A beautiful bag for her to be. We replace the one who's made like this. It's gonna be fun to see. For a while. And now there's a new one where she can stay to explore down there, everything's fuzzy, and we have a different approach to this. Boy, go, boom, just boom. Pushing, boy. Okay, she's handling it. Okay, so we're clear on both, that's good. Good girl. I'll pick up this food. There's some food inside, and maybe this is the rest of the food inside. I knew that she was not 100, but she forced me to do it much. Even more food. I knew that I had food inside, so I had to wash my hands as well after do that. It's okay, baby. Don't fuss with it. It's gonna cause problems. Just get out of here. Have to handle that. At least we have both those things dealt with. What I was gonna say is that I think today fixing yesterday, but well, so let's do this video. I don't care. Disclaimer. It's gonna be disgusting now. No, but I don't want to do that. Not in this video, I guess. But in the next one. No, I'll comment about the drugs after it's done. Again, this is it's normal, doesn't have anything too weird with it. think that she's going for health issues, that might as well just document that. And on a side note, again, she's going to be gross as well, but just to showcase a bit for me, those that took narcotics, no, Jesus, they shit drugs. They changed one word and my brain changed the other, so they took drugs, whatever it is. Imagine tapalaxitude from me, every time cause some type of diarrhea, something this sort. It's not the food, it's the air. So they do periodically as a way to control and delay. Today I was going to buy her medicine and I wasn't, apart from other reasons also because of that. So keep that in mind. It's tripping. One inoculum is dangerous, second, it inoculum is much, and B inoculum is good. Here they do it for them. That's it. Okay, good. There you go. Just one other patient right here. The last noise you heard outside was likely. As I said, this is always a flow from the outside in. Actually, can be from another place as well. And again, we don't know there. Yeah, on the little vehicle. Okay, Chip, let's go. I actually probably come away from the bathroom. Okay, Chip, don't have the bathroom. Oh. This one is 36, 32. This is essentially how we normally would look like the main sculpture, which as well we can imagine many of the things. If you ever wondered why the marketing for the things that I carry, because I can't remember that word. So, by doing that I can be more concerned. And also, the backpack is more inflated than it normally would be. I just went back with some type of assault, going to, again, the side of the sun, and on the other bags as well. It will be 100% sure. entender porque eu acho grave estranho em certa perspectiva enquanto eles for tentar just not a poor of me essentially only expectations from mental correct, but there might be a variety of things. This is a bit low. Might be because it's the end of the week. Sometimes it's the case, might be something to do. The other one, those are gonna make them out like also, you should try to put it. Coca-Cola, but I don't know yet. Right from here, or come to the front. Check that way. Something warm. At the same time, the listening's on. You would have made a difference, by the way. They're that posing if I had actually started coming in the back and then went there, you'd be seeing exactly the same thing. So, literally. Regardless of how much time. Notice the reaction when I get here? Deixa eu pegar a rua. good shit for once, but... But it's something to in the valley. I think this is the bathroom today, right? Where it says it's switchy, it is the bathroom too. I'm sure it's not holding. No, that's it. I think in the moment you start crying. Something else is very wrong. Things that go behind it. Today we technically even go to the other one if that was the case. What's the definition of the brand? Expensive too. It's not really as much. I checked already. Meters. Again, pay attention to the moment when she starts acting or crying. Então, você igual aqui, sim. What's happening? Yeah, it's $2. Deleted. Much cheaper. Effective. No, but this one isn't a discount. $4.52. The same size anyway. Yeah, baby, that's what she gave me. That's pushing the bridge. But there was something I wanted to know. What's the problem? Baby, put together. Put together. Let's speak on this side for a while. I'll go to the one. $3 $75.
Seis, 63.
O italiano de hoje? Esse italiano de hoje? É de hoje?
Não, Lucas.
Não.
Tem 2 dias.
O
De hoje saiu leite, manteiga.
de leite é qual? Ah, não, o leite mais caro.
Leite é o primeiro, de manteiga é o do meio.
É, não, pode ser então. Pode ser esse primeiro aqui. Esse primeiro. Sim. Deixa eu explicar. Pão de sal já há muito tempo?
Oi?
Pão de sal já há muito tempo?
Saiu muito tempo?
É, isso já faz muito
Não.
tempo. É, e além disso, uns 4 pães. Isso. É só 4. So, the smell coming from me called standing. And I noticed they stopped at several other places, including the bathroom. Maybe the thing that they threw me in the bathroom, maybe the thing that they put back, they caused her to start crying. In all the places they started crying, she was looking, she was exploring. You saw how all of a sudden she started crying for no reason, right? Pay attention to that. So this one thing. And yeah, in the end, apart from that, I also felt a bit weird in that. Almost going there, calm down. Almost there. see if you can spot the criminal. I'm not increasing the see if you can identify the criminal, so I said essentially like no bothering anything. Even that it's not even proof of this at this point. Should have stopped when I was leaving the bathroom. I'm always gonna do that now. Most of those things because of this crime. Normally I would like to be a better student in the way. But it's just that because of you witness to them. Really not a shit. And I'm so careful. I'm so careful. Probably am from this side. The idea is all those criminals could be here because none of them are doing anything that has to be there. It's just that should be a problem for us. Which is again, no, this crime is starting today. I myself would just say, oh yeah, probably it's gonna fool me, fool things, get me, but it isn't. So at this point, there's no threat over there. And provide you with information. Think you're feeling bad about that one, that's too much. Again, everything is fluid, so we're not planning on coming back. We're planning on going there and buying the medicine. And then scared. So they have to share with people. Actually, that's cool with it, yeah. And also get to show you the ridiculousness of them actually racing each other. Should be in the chair with downstairs. Talk about that downstairs might not being a guarantee. We knew we was, but this time we definitely have to do that. But now they're like working at the night. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna walk the path so you can see where he's at. One that is evolving like very, attention needing, not attention needing, but Ghost Weather. Sabe, o Ghost.
Eu mandei por PDF.
Absolutely nothing. At all. So, there's absolutely nothing. We knew that already. It's not the first day of this crime. But, again, when was the last time you saw a nice baby child going to absolutely no violence, no pollution? On the other hand, when was the last day in this crime you saw criminals down trying to do being something fun? Yeah, you see that up. Wait a second.